Hi, kiddo.
To the grinder.
Where'd your daddy go? Your daddy's working in the garage, isn't he? But you're helping in the kitchen, aren't you? Look at your measuring cup. Are you a measuring cup face? Measuring cup face. Measuring cup face. Oh, now you got your water. Yeah. Did you just toot? Did you go toot? Yes, you did. You did that funny. Where are you up to? Where are you up to? Got your water? Yeah, now you're going to play with your books. Now you're going to play with your books. You've got your books. What else you got in there? You got anything good in there? What's in your basket? Wait, send somebody an email? You gonna email someone? Well, what you gonna say in your email? Good water. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.